back to markets, and Harbaz is joining in with a lot of the key movers that we saw on Friday and any interesting delivery stats on those stocks. Harbaz, good morning.
Good morning, Survi. And some news flow-driven names that came into the radar on Friday's session. Hindustan Copper was one of them. It was a 12% move that the stock saw on Friday. It was the biggest single-day gain that it witnessed since December of 2023, the highest volumes the stock had had since May of 24. And over 5 crore shares had changed hands in Hindustan Copper on Friday. And if you take a look at the 20-day average, that's just only 22 lakh. And over 95 lakh shares were marked for delivery on Friday. The 20-day average is only 9 lakhs. So significant delivery buying and significant volumes seen in Hindustan Copper on Friday. Defense names were buzzing in Friday's session. They're likely to remain in focus today as well. MTAR Tech was one of them. The stock has been seeing increased trading activity ever since the management spoke to us last week. Friday's volumes were the highest since December of last year. And if you take a look at the one-year period before September 10th, which was last week, the daily traded volume was around 1.7 lakh or so. And since September 10th, the daily volume has now become 13 lakhs. So a significant move seen in the last 3 days. Friday's session, 30 lakh shares changed hands. 20-day average is only a lakh, and out of which over 6 lakh shares were marked for delivery. The 20-day average is only 43,000. HiTech Pipes was also among the gainers on Friday. Third day of gains there. Over volumes highest in almost 3 months. Over 1 crore shares changing hands. 20-day average of 7 lakh. Almost 40 lakh shares marked for delivery. A 20-day average of just close to 4 lakh. And GMDC has been seeing some interesting moves. The stock fell almost 14% from the highs on Friday, on Thursday, and was up another 12% on Friday. Look at the volumes here. Now almost 3.7 crore shares traded. A 20-day average of just close to 90 lakh. And almost 50 lakh shares marked for delivery, and for a 20-day average of just 13 lakhs. So on Friday, the total traded volumes were lesser than Thursday, but the delivery volumes were higher than Thursday on GMDC. So some important names to keep on your radar today.
I just want to make a mention, Hormuz. MTAR Tech graphics will come up on your screen. Bulk of the move came after we spoke to MTAR. We spoke to them on the 11th in the morning. Yeah. Price was about 1450 or so, and I think ended at close to about 1,700. Basically, MTAR told us that FY28, with lots of new initiatives, new contracts, etc., FY28 revenues should be up some 2.5 times where they ended last year, FY25. So that was the big sort of, reason for that very large move that we've seen on MTAR Tech. Just wanted to quickly make a mention of it.